I got a simple way to raise the Frontier sawmill. It's just a cheap winch from Harbor Freight. I wrap the cable around the handle, and it has a remote control, and it works great. And for the frontwards and backwards, sorry, I'm using a e-bike motor. It was like 50 bucks on Amazon. And I have the stops there for at each end. So when I get to the end, the stop. The other one's going to be for the throttle when I get the right throttle. I'll go back. There's another stop there. And I do have this throttle hooked up. But it doesn't have a spring to release when I get to the end. And that works great also. I have water hooked up, but it wasn't working too good. I have to get a new cylinder. And that full throttle works great. And it's going out. I copied the ideal from, I can't remember his name. Yeah, I know he is another guy from Michigan. He also had a Frontier sawmill. Thank you.